Good morning to all students. Last class I discussed homogeneous and non-homogeneous example. Okay, today also I discuss non-homogeneous and homogeneous. Okay, then the unique solution. Okay, see here. You know the homogeneous equation. Okay, and polynomial and quadratic equation. This is your example. Solve a homogeneous equation, that is unique solution is there, that is the see here, this is the example 6, that is minus x plus y plus z is equal to 0 plus 3x plus y minus z is equal to 0, then 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. See here, this is the equation, this is the three equations. Okay, then the three equation is there and three unknowns is there. Okay, first you take, that is the A is the one matrix. I take A equal to the coefficient of x, y and z. This is the minus 1, then 1 and z. After that, 3 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, then third equation, that is 2, then y, that is the 2x, 2y means that is the 2 and z means 0. Y means here 0 z is there, that's why, then 2, 2, that is 0. Okay, next come to a operation, means we reducing the rows and finding the echelon form. Okay, see here, first row is as it is, that is the minus 1, 1, 1. Okay, next come to a second row, that is the operation, that is the R2 equal to, then R2 minus, that is R2 plus 3 R1. Why means here minus 1 is there, that's why R2 equal to R2 plus 3 R1. Why means here 3 is there, that's why that is a plus 3 minus 3, that is the 0. Then 1 is there, that is R2 is 1. 1 plus, that is the 3 R1. R1 means that is the 1, 3 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 3, that is the 4. See here, I write here 4. Then here minus 1 is there, minus 1 plus 3 into 1, that is 3 into 1 is 3, that is the minus 1. Then plus 3, that is the plus 2. Biggest number side is positive, that is plus 2. Okay, next come to a third row, that is the R3. R3 equal to R3 plus 2 R1. Here 2 is there. Okay, then 2 plus 2 or minus 2 is, that is the 0. Okay, next come to here, that 2 is there, that is 2. 2 into 1 is 2, that is the plus 2, that is minus 2 is 0. Next after that, here R3 is 3 is there, 3 plus 2 into R1. 2 into R1 is 2. Okay, I write here, this is 2. Here 2 plus 2 is, that is the 4. I write here 4. Then last one element is 0 into, that is 0 plus 2 R1. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, I write here 2. Okay, next operation, see here, the first one is unity. Okay, here minus 1 is there. Then the leading element is 0, 0. Okay, next come to a second. Here second row is 4 and 2 is there. Okay, here third is 4 and 2 is there. That's why R3 equal to R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2 means there 4 minus 4 is there 0. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Since there are a 2 non-zero element, means this is the 2 non-zero element. This one. This is the first non-zero element. This is the second non-zero element. Third one is 0 element is there. Okay. Next go to a next continuation. Therefore, rank of A is equal to, that is the 2. Means that is the 2 non-zero. This is the 2 non-zero element. Okay, therefore, rank of A equal to 2, then less than 3. Means that is the number of unknowns. Remember this one? The rank is 2 means the number of unknowns is 3. Okay, there 2 is less than 3. That means the system possesses a non-trivial solution. Remember this one? A system possesses a non-trivial solution. Okay. Suppose the rank of A is equal to 3, that is the unknown number of unknowns mean that is no non-trivial solution. Last class I discussed that problem. Okay, this is the rank of A is equal to 2 is less than 3 means it is the number of unknowns. The given system poses a non-trivial solution. Okay, next is reconstructing the system of final equation of from A. Means reconstruct means reconstruct means you take here, that is the minus 1, then 1 is there. That's it. Okay, I write here minus 1 means that is the minus x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then the second equation that is 4y plus 2z equal to 0. Sorry, they connect again. Okay, first one that is the minus x plus y plus z equal to 0. That is equation 1. 4y plus 2z equal to 0. That is the second equation. Next, you substitute second equation to first. That is 4y plus 2z equal to 0. Okay, I write here. That is see here equation 2. That is 4y. That is the 4 here 2 is there. That is 2 comment me that 2y plus z. I write here that 2 go to the RHS element, that is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Okay. Next 2y is equal to 2y plus z equal to 0. Then y is equal to that 2 come to this divider, that is minus z by 2. Okay, that plus z come to this side means that is the minus z. Then the 2y that multiplies there come to this RHS side means that is minus z by 2. Okay, this is 2 is divided. After that, that equation 1, this y value is putting to equation 1. What is the equation 1? This is minus 1 minus x plus y plus z is equal to 0. That is equation 1 is there. Okay, putting the y value. Minus x as it is, then minus y. What is the y value? That is minus z by 2. Minus z by 2 plus that is the z is equal to 0. Then x equal to that simplification, that is z by 2. See here that minus z by 2 that plus z come to this element, that is the minus. Okay, after that there is LCM 2. Okay, then choose z equal to k means arbitrary constant. We take arbitrary sum z is equal to k. Then what is the y value? Y is equal to minus z by 2 is there. Okay, I putting that replacing z by k means that is y is equal to minus k by 2 and x equal to plus k by 2. Therefore, you finally write hence x equal to k by 2, y is equal to minus k by 2, then z equal to k. This is the required solution. Okay, this is one example. Once again, I repeat this one. First, we taken the 3 equation is there. Okay. I take the A matrices, the coefficient of x, y, and z, remaining the row operation, that is the finding the echelon form, that is the row operation, using the row operation, that is the R2 and R3. After that, that is the 0, 0, means that is the 2 non-zero element. Okay. Therefore, rank of A equal to 2. Okay. That is the less than 3. Means number of the unknown. Unknown means that is x, y, z. Therefore, the system poses non-trivial solution. Okay. After that, reconstructing the system. That is the reconstruct system means we take this equation. First row is that is the minus x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Next second x is 0. That is the 0x plus 4y plus 2z equal to that is 0. I take here first and second equation. After that, that second equation, that is the 4y plus 2z equal to 0 is there. Then 2 common, that is 2y plus z is equal to 0. After that, y is equal to minus z by 2. That is the y value. After that, the y value substitute to first equation. Then x equal to, that is z by 2. After that, we choose z equal to k. That is the arbitrary. I mean, that is the constant. After that, y is equal to minus k by 2 and x equal to k by 2 and x z equal to k. Okay, finally you write this one. Next example. See here, this is the solve. That is the three equation is there, then three unknowns is there. That is the 2x1 plus x2 plus x4 is equal to 0. Okay, 8x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 plus 6x4 is equal to 0. Then 6x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3 plus 7x4 is equal to 0. Okay, here 4 equation is there. Okay, then you write solution. Here the unknowns is x1, x2, x3 and x4. Here 4 equations, that is the 4 unknown. Okay, then you write the coefficient matrix of first equation, that is the 2, then 1 and 1. Here x3 is not here. We take here 0. 2, 1, that is 0, then 1. Okay. After that second row, 8, 4, 2 and 6. Here 8, 4. Here 8 is there and 4 is there and 2 is there and 6 is there. After that, the third equation, 6, 3, then 4, then 7. Okay, I write here 6, 3, 4, 7. After that, the operation, that is the row operation, that is the R2 equal to R2 is here. R2 means that is 8 is there. Here 2 is there. R1 is 2. That's why I am multiplying 4 to a first equation, that is the first row. After that, 4 into 2 is 8. That is the plus 8 minus 8, that is 0. That's why R2 equal to R2 minus 4R1. See here, that is the 8. 4 into 2 is 8. That is plus 8 minus 8 is 0. I write here 0. Okay, next come to a 4 is there. R2 is 4. 4 minus 4 into 1 is 4. That is the plus 4 minus 4. That is 0. Next come to a the third element, that is 2 is there. R2 is 2. 2 minus 4 into, that is the 0. 4 into 0 is 0. Okay, that is 2. I write here 2. Next 6 is there. Okay, R2 is 6. 6 minus 4 into, that is the 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Then 6 minus 4 is, that is 2. Okay. Next R3. R3 is 6, 3, 4, 7 is there. That's why R3 equal to R3 minus 3 R1. Okay, the multiplying 3 to a first row, that is the 2 is there. 2 into 3, that is 6. That is the plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Then here 3 is there, R3 is 3. 3 minus 3 into 1. That is 3 into 1 is 3. That is 3 minus 3 is, that is also a 0. Okay. Next come to a third element. That is 4 is there. R3 is 4. 4 minus 3 into 0 is 3. That is 4. After that finally 7 is there. 7. R3 is 7. 7 minus 3 into 1. R1 is 1 is there. 3 into 1 is 3. 7 minus 3, that is 4. I write here 4. Okay. Next finally another one is operation, that is R3 equal to R3 minus 2R2. Why means here 2 2 is there, R2, R3 is 4 4. Okay, that's why the finally last row means, that is the third row is finally 0 0 0 0. Since there are a two non-zero elements, this is the first non-zero element and this one is the second non-zero element. Okay, therefore rank of A is equal to 3, that is the less than 4. Okay, that is the rank of A is equal to 3 is less than 4 means, that is the number of unknowns is there, that is the 4 number of unknowns is there. The system has non-trivial solution. Remember this one, the rank is less than the number of unknowns means, that is the non-trivial solution. You remember this one, the system is less than the number of unknowns. Number of unknowns means here 4 is there, x1, x2, x3, x4. That is the 4 number of unknowns is there. That's why the system has non-trivial solution. Okay, after that you reconstruct the equation. Reconstructing means first you take the equation. This equation, that is 2x, see here, this one. See here, reconstructing this equation. That is 2x plus, that is the y, means x1, x2 is taken. That's why 2x1 plus, see here, 2x1 plus 1x2. Okay, here 0, x3. That is 0, x3 there. I neglect this one. After that, x4 equal to 0. Okay, this is the one equation. Another one equation is here 0x1 is there, 0x2 is there. You neglect this one. After that, 2x3 plus 2x4 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. First, you take the second equation, that is x3. Okay, 2 is common. x3 equal to, that is minus x4. Okay, 2 common means that come to this side means 0 into 2, 0 divided by 2 means that is also 0. Then x3 equal to that plus x4 come to this side, RHS side means that is minus x4. Okay, then this x3 value is substituted to the equation 1. What is equation 1? X1, this one. That is the 2 come to this side means that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, after that x2 plus x4 come to this side means that is the minus x2 minus x4. Commonly I take minus 1 by 2 into x2 plus x4. Okay, then therefore choosing their x2 equal to, that is the some constant, that is the k1, and x4 equal to, that is the k2. It is arbitrary. Okay, means x2 value is k1, x4 value is 2, k2. Okay, after that you finding x3. x3 equal to minus k2. Okay, see here, x3 equal to minus, what is the x4 value? That is the k2 is there, that is minus k2. Then x1 is minus 1 by 2. Then what is the x2 value? That is the k1 is there, x4 means that is the k2. Therefore, that is x1 means that is minus 1 by 2, x1 plus x2. Okay. After that, hence, that is the x1 equal to minus 1 by 2, k1 plus k2, x2 equal to k1, x3 equal to minus k2, x4 equal to k2 is the required solution. Okay. This is the second example. See here. First, I take the three equations, means there are three unknowns is there, x1, x2, x3, x4. After that, we take the sum matrices, then using the row operation. Then after that, finally, you take their rank, that is the rank of A equal to 2. Then reconstructing the system. The reconstructing means they taking that sum two equation, that is the 2x1 plus x2 plus x4 equal to 0. Then 2x1 2x3 plus 2x4 equal to 0. This is the first and second equation. After that second equation simplification, that is 2 is there. Then 2 come outside means that is x3 plus x4. Then x4 come to this side means that is the minus x4. After that, value x3 value is substitute to the equation 1. Then the final equation, that is minus 1 by 2 x1 plus, sorry, x2 plus x4. Next go to a x2. x2 equal to k1 and x4 equal to k2. We take this one. After that x3 value is minus k2. Then x1 equal to minus 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. Finally write x1, x2, x3 and x4 value. Okay. Next one example. You solve this one. That is the solve. That is the 4x plus 6y minus 2z minus 2u equal to 0. Okay. Then after that, second equation, minus 2x plus 3y plus z minus u is equal to 0. Then 3x minus 4y minus z plus 2u equal to 0. Here, 4 unknowns is there, x, y and z and u. Okay. This solution, see here. Here we take A equal to some one matrix, that is the 4, 6 minus 2, 2. That is the coefficient of x, y, z and u. After that, the second row, that is the minus 2, 3, 1 and minus 1. Next third row, that is the 3, minus 4, minus 1, 2. Okay, this is the matrices. After that, you reducing the rows. That is the first you take R2. R2 means that is minus 2 is there. That's why here R1 is 4 is there. That's why you multiplying second row to 2. That is R2 equal to R2 plus R1. R2 is minus 2 is there. That is minus 2 into 2 is, that is the minus 4. That is the minus of 4 plus 4 is 0. I write here 0. 2 into 6 is, that is the 6. That is the plus 6 and minus 6. Okay, see here. Here R1 is plus 6 is there. R2 is there, plus 3 is there. Okay, then R2 equal to 2 into, that is the 2 into 3 is 6. That is the plus 6. That is the plus 6. Plus it plus, that is the 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. Then come to a third element, that is the 1 is there. 2 into 1 is 2. That is the, here minus 2 is there. Plus 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay, next third, last one element, that is the minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, that is the minus 2. That is minus 2. That is minus minus, that is 4. Next come to a third row, that is the R3. R3 equal to R3, 3 is there. Okay, here 4 for R1 is 4. R2 is minus 2. That's why R3 equal to 4 R3 minus 3 R1. Multiplying 4 to a third row and multiplying 3 to a first row. See here, this is the operation, that is 3 into, here 3 into 4 is 12, here 4 into 3 is 12. That is the plus 12 minus 12, that is 0. Okay, next come to a minus 4 is there. R3 is minus 4. Minus 4 means, that is the 4 for the 16, that is the minus 16, minus 3 into R1 is 6. Okay, that is the 18. 6 3 is the 18, that is minus minus is there. That's why that is the minus 34. Same as minus 1 and 2. That is the 2 and 14 is there. Okay, next come to a here, that is the minus 2 is there. Here minus 2 is there. That's why R1 equal to, that is 1 by 2 R1. Means that multiplying, sorry, divide 2 to a, that first row. Means the 4 by 2 means that is the 2. 6 by 2 means that is the 3. Then 2 by 2 means that is the minus 1. Then minus 2 by 2 means that is the also minus 1. I write here 2, 3, minus 1, then minus 1. Okay. After that come to the second row, that is R2 equal to 1 by 4 R2. Why we dividing 4 means here minus 4 is there, here 12 is there. That's why that is the 12 means that is 12 by 4 means that is the 3. 4 1 the 4 3 the. After that minus 4 is there. Then minus 4 divided by 4 means that is the 4 4 cancel. The remaining is minus 1. Then come to a third row, that is R3. R3 is the divide to a 2. Means R3 equal to 1 by 2 R3. Divide to 2 to a is third row. That is 34 is there. 17 to the 34. Then 2 2. The 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, that is the 1. See here. Minus 17. That is that 1. Then 14. 14 by 2 means that is 7. 7 on the 7 2 the. Okay. Next come to A. The final answer, that is the A equal to, you write, that is the 2. First row as it is. 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1. Next, second row as it is 0, 3, 0, minus 1. I write here. After that, the R3, that is the final. R3 equal to this one. 0 is there, minus 17, 1, 7 is there. Okay, I multiplying here. R3 equal to 3 R3 plus 17 R2. Means multiplying 3 to a third row plus 17 to a, adding 17 to a second row. Okay. 17 plus R2, that is the 3, 7, 20. Okay, see here, R3 equal to 3 R3 plus 17 R2. Okay, since there, see here the 3 non-zero element. This is the first and second and third. This is the 3 non-zero element. Therefore, finally you write, therefore, rank of A is equal to 3. Means here number of unknowns is, that is the 4 number of unknowns is there. The rank is 3. 1, 2, 3 is there. That is the rank of A is equal to 3. Then less than 4. Means the number of unknowns. Next, you reconstruct the system of final equation A. Reconstruct means you take first equation means first row, that is see here 2, 3, -1, -1 is there. That's why I write 2x plus 3y, okay, minus z minus of u is equal to 0. That is the first equation. Next, go to a second equation, that is 3 is there, that is the 3y. Then here u, okay, this is the first column is x, second column is y, third column is z, and fourth column is u. Okay, that's why 3y minus u is equal to 0, x is 0, and z is 0. After that third equation, 3z minus 4u is equal to 0. Okay, this is the three equation. First, you take the third equation, that is the 3z minus 4u equal to 0. Take here that 3 comes to this side means that is the divide. Multiplying come to this side means that is divide. That is equal to 4 by 3 u. Okay, then this value substitute to equation 2. Equation 2 means this one.